Look up at the night sky and it feels peaceful. Thousands of stars, silent space, nothing to worry about. But hidden among those distant lights are millions of rocks moving faster than bullets. Most of them will never come near Earth, but a few will. Throughout our planet's history, asteroid impacts have shaped continents, changed climates, and wiped entire species off the map. Some impacts were small enough to barely make headlines. Others nearly ended life on Earth. Scientists use impact size and energy to estimate just how destructive these space rocks can be. From harmless space dust to planet-changing disasters, these are every fatal asteroid impact level explained. Level 0. Cosmic dust. The lowest level of asteroid impacts happens constantly. Every single day, Earth is bombarded by tens of tons of microscopic space debris. Tiny grains from comets and asteroids slam into the atmosphere at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per second. But instead of destruction, we get something beautiful. They burn up as meteors, creating the streaks of light we call shooting stars. Most of these particles are no bigger than grains of sand. Even small pebble-sized rocks rarely survive the intense heat of atmospheric entry. At this level, the planet barely notices. It's the universe gently tapping Earth on the shoulder. But occasionally, a larger rock slips through, and that's when things start getting interesting. Level 1. Fireball impact. Level 1 impacts involve asteroids roughly 1 to 5 meters wide. These objects explode high in the atmosphere, producing brilliant fireballs and loud sonic booms. Most of the time, they never reach the ground. Instead, they explode mid-air in what scientists call an airburst. These explosions can release energy equal to several tons of TNT, but the damage is usually minimal. In fact, these events happen several times each year. Most occur over oceans or uninhabited regions. If you were lucky enough to witness one, you'd see the sky flash brighter than lightning, followed by a distant thunder-like boom. At this level, the asteroid makes a dramatic entrance. But the planet remains completely safe. Level 2. The Chelyabinsk event. When asteroids grow to around 15 to 25 meters, the story changes. These rocks carry the energy of hundreds of kilotons of TNT, large enough to cause real damage. The most famous example happened in 2013 over Chelyabinsk, Russia. A 20-meter asteroid entered Earth's atmosphere at nearly 19 kilometers per second. It exploded 30 kilometers above the city. The blast wave shattered windows across the region and injured over 1,400 people, mostly from flying glass. The explosion released 30 times more energy than the Hiroshima atomic bomb. Yet the asteroid never even hit the ground. If a rock like that exploded directly above a major city, the damage could be far worse. But even this level is still considered relatively small on the cosmic scale, because the next level starts carving craters. Level 3. City Destroyer. Asteroids around 50 to 100 meters wide can flatten entire cities. These impacts release energy equivalent to multiple nuclear weapons. The best historical example is the Tunguska event in 1908. A space rock exploded over a remote forest in Siberia. The blast flattened over 80 million trees across 2,000 square kilometers. That's an area roughly the size of a major metropolitan region. Shockwaves circled the globe. Windows shattered hundreds of miles away. Fortunately, Tunguska happened in one of the most remote places on Earth. Had it exploded over a populated city, millions could have died instantly. At this level, asteroid impacts become genuine natural disasters, but they're still small compared to what's coming. Level 4. Regional devastation. When asteroids reach 300 meters to 1 kilometer in diameter, the destruction becomes regional. These impacts can release thousands of megatons of energy. The crater left behind could stretch several kilometers wide. Everything within hundreds of kilometers of the impact site would be devastated. Forests ignite. Shockwaves level cities. If the asteroid strikes the ocean, it can trigger massive tsunamis racing across entire ocean basins. A single impact at this scale could destroy multiple countries. Global economies would be shaken. Climate effects could last for months, but civilization would still survive. For that, we would need something even bigger. Level 5. Global climate impact. At around 5 kilometers wide, asteroids begin affecting the entire planet. The impact blast alone would be catastrophic, But the real danger comes from what enters the atmosphere afterward. Trillions of tons of dust, ash, and vaporized rock would rise high into the sky. This debris blocks sunlight and cools the planet. Scientists call this effect impact winter. Temperatures drop. Photosynthesis slows. Agriculture collapses. Even regions thousands of miles away from the impact site would suffer. Food shortages and global famine could follow. Human civilization would face its greatest crisis. But even this isn't the worst Earth has experienced. Level 6. Mass extinction impact asteroids around 10 kilometers wide enter extinction territory. This is the scale of the famous Chicxulub asteroid, the impact that ended the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. When that asteroid struck near modern-day Mexico, the explosion released energy equal to billions of nuclear bombs. A crater nearly 150 kilometers wide was formed. Global wildfires erupted. Tsunamis hundreds of meters tall crossed oceans. Dust blocked sunlight for years. Temperatures plummeted. Food chains collapsed. Around 75% of all species on Earth went extinct. Dinosaurs vanished. Entire ecosystems disappeared. Life survived. But the planet was forever changed. And yet, even Chicxulub might not represent the worst possible scenario. Level 7. Planetary catastrophe. At 15 kilometers or larger, asteroid impacts become civilization-ending disasters. The blast could trigger earthquakes, volcanic activity, and global firestorms. Oceans would generate mega tsunamis taller than skyscrapers. Dust clouds could darken the sky for decades. Surface temperatures could plunge into a prolonged ice age-like climate. Entire ecosystems collapse. Agriculture becomes impossible. Human survival would depend on underground shelters or extreme technological adaptation. Only small pockets of civilization might endure. At this point, Earth's biosphere itself begins to struggle. But there is still one final level. Level 8. Planetary reset. The most extreme asteroid impacts involve objects 20 kilometers wide or larger. Impacts at this scale have occurred only a few times in Earth's history. The energy released would reshape continents. Oceans would surge across land. The atmosphere could fill with debris thick enough to block sunlight for generations. Mass extinction would be nearly total. The majority of life on Earth could vanish. Civilization would not survive. Any remaining life would have to slowly rebuild over millions of years. These are the kinds of impacts that reset planetary evolution. Fortunately, impacts of this magnitude are extremely rare. They may occur once every 100 million years or more. But rare does not mean impossible. Asteroids have always been part of Earth's story. They helped shape the moon, altered climates, and even cleared the path for mammals to dominate the planet. Without asteroid impacts, humans might never have existed. Today, scientists track over 30,000 near-Earth asteroids, constantly watching the skies for potential threats. Space agencies are even testing ways to deflect dangerous asteroids before they ever reach our planet. For now, the odds of a catastrophic impact in our lifetime remain extremely small. But the universe is vast, unpredictable, and constantly in motion. Somewhere out there, another asteroid is already traveling through space. The only question is, how close it will come.